In this video, we listed the 5 best Android tablet on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. CHUWI HiPad X Pro. The CHUWI HiPad X Pro is a 10.51-inch Android tablet featuring a 2K resolution display with a 16:10 screen ratio. Powered by a Unisoc T6 16 octa-core processor and Mali G57 GPU, this tablet ensures smooth performance and gaming experience. Running on the latest Android 12 OS, it offers a personalized and secure user experience. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, the HiPad X Pro provides ample space for all your needs. It is lightweight, portable, and features a metal unibody design for a premium feel. Equipped with dual cameras, dual-band Wi-Fi, and 4G network support, this tablet offers versatile connectivity options. Additional features include multi-window mode for multitasking, a long-lasting 7,000 mAh battery, and various sensors for enhanced usability. Overall, the CHUWI HiPad X Pro offers a high-quality display, powerful performance, and ample storage capacity, making it a versatile and efficient tablet for various tasks. Number 2. Oukitel OT5 S Tablet. The Oukitel OT5 S Tablet is a powerful device packed with impressive features. It is equipped with a Unisoc T606 CPU, an 8250 mAh battery, and a generous 24 GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM storage capacity running on Android 13.0 OS. The tablet boasts a 12-inch 2K display and features a 16MP rear camera and 8MP front camera. It supports dual Nano SIM cards or a Nano SIM and TF card. Additional features include Bluetooth 5.2, rapid charging, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, Compass, and OTA updates. The tablet comes in a sleek design with dimensions of 278.5mm x 174mm x 7.5mm. In the package, you will find the tablet, Type-C cable, 18W power adapter, warranty card, and user manual. It supports various network bands and offers expandable storage via a Type-C port. The Oukitel OT5 S Tablet is a high-performance device suitable for users looking for a feature-rich tablet experience. Number 3. CHUWI Hi10X Pro. The CHUWI Hi10X Pro is a feature-packed Android 13.0 tablet with a 10.1-inch full high-definition IPS display and a resolution of 1280 by 800. With upgraded 4 GB RAM and 128 GB eMMC storage that is expandable, this tablet offers efficient multitasking and ample space for your files. Powered by the Intel Unisoc T606 processor, it delivers exceptional performance for work and entertainment. The sleek design, lightweight build, and space gray color make it easy to handle and carry, while features like the laminated LCD display, dual speakers, and Widevine L1 certification ensure an immersive viewing experience. The tablet also boasts dual cameras, extended battery life of up to 9.5 hours, and connectivity options like 4G LTE support and 5G Wi-Fi. With features like Material U for personalization, advanced memory management, and GPS navigation, the Hi10X Pro offers a blend of style, performance, and functionality for users on the go. Number 4. Premiere AGM PAD P2. The tablet specifications are as follows. It includes a second webcam with 50MP resolution and a front webcam with 8MP resolution. The standby time ranges between 120 to 300 hours, with a working time of 10 to 40 hours and a charging time of 2 to 5 hours. The tablet features an IPS panel and supports Google Play services. It weighs over 500 g and has a package included. The tablet's battery has a capacity of 8,000 mAh, supporting a variety of features such as FM, OTG, dual cameras, and kids tablet mode. It runs on Android 14 OS, has an 11-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The tablet is powered by an octa-core MTK processor and has 8GB RAM plus 8GB virtual memory, with a storage capacity of 256GB, expandable to 2TB. It also includes dual SIM card slots, for speakers for stereo sound, and a variety of certifications. The tablet is from the brand AGM, manufactured in mainland China, and supports multiple languages. Number 5. Original Pad 6 S Pro. The tablet in question is a feature-rich device with specifications indicating high performance and functionality. It boasts impressive features such as a 11-inch display with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, a powerful Snapdragon 888 processor, and a large 10,000 mAh cell capacity for extended use. The tablet runs on Android 13 and supports 4G LTE network connectivity. With dual SIM card slots and expandable storage up to 512GB, this tablet offers ample memory capacity for users. Additionally, it includes dual front and rear cameras, with the main rear camera boasting 16MP and the front camera featuring 8MP. Other noteworthy features include support for multiple languages, a capacitive touchscreen, dual cameras, a tablet pen, and an ultra-slim design. The device is designed in mainland China and is compatible with CHUWI products, offering users a stylish and modern tablet experience with a sturdy metal build, protective shell design, and fast 120Hz refresh rate display.